Is everything okay? You want to say something? All right, go ahead. What I call yellow journalism, yellow and uninspiring journalism, that belittles a profession which we all love and respect so much. It's rather unfortunate. We're all proud of the journalism profession, but unfortunately, some people have taken it. I call it so many words to describe it: yellow journalism, junk journalism. Uninspiring journalism, when you intentionally misquote people for whatever agenda that you may have. We'll continue to appeal to our journalists to discourage this unprofessional use of habit of clickbaiting. I stand by, and I want to repeat for emphasis what I said yesterday. There's a new group of people who masquerade as separatists, different from the genuine separatists, the real separatists, the real activists. These people are just criminals who go around killing people, maiming, destroying property, stopping students from working, from going to school for taking exams. Those are not the activists we know. I mean, separatism and activism those are genuine things that people we've all lived with over the years, and we know how they go about it. Not the ones we see now, the criminals we see now. And I'm glad that even the Southeast Caucus of the National Assembly yesterday issued a communique and said exactly the same thing I said on the floor, where they separated those people from the real agitators. So I will put that to rest, and I will encourage our journalists to please continue or try to, as best as possible, report exactly what transpires on the floor of this House. I remember that one of our colleagues, I'm trying to remember who it was misquoted towards the end of the session yesterday, and he had to come up on the floor to correct the statement credited to him, which was not what he said. So we'll put that to rest. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.